Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Nature Reserve Holtmühle. We are today hiking on the border between the Netherlands and Germany again. We will be passing Germany a little bit, most of the time we will be in the Netherlands, and as you can see the hike is starting off pretty good. It's the beginning of April now, and since this week we are witnessing spring awakening. The trees are becoming their leaves, everything is turning green, so really spring feeling. So that is really nice that you see everything pop, color coming on the trees. I mentioned it in my video last week when Ravi and I were backpacking in the Eifel, that I said that it was time for me to see some color in nature. Well, I think we were out there just a week too early, because this week everything started popping. So this is new for us, this area, so we're going to explore it, take you along. Let's go. As you can see, we have the stroller with us because we wanted to try that out a little bit more for the upcoming vacation, to see how Max does on that one, because we are noticing that when we are doing some longer hikes, then you can really see that Max is getting older. So let's see in the upcoming hikes, as far as it is possible, that we are going to take the stroller. So that will mean that if she agrees on that one, if she likes it, she knows it, but if she does, then she will be able to do more longer hikes with us in summer vacation as well. So a little bit of vacation preparation. So our supermarket recently got an American section, or an American corner, and I found these little treats here, this candy, Nerds gummy clusters. No idea if I'm going to like it, but maybe it's something new for the backpacking season, so why not give it a try? Oh, they are sour. It says sweet. They're not sweet. Yeah, I like them. Here you can see a border rock. So I'm in the Netherlands. That side of the rock is Germany. Someone became jealous of Max. Hi, buddy. Okay, then he will get his ride as well. Maybe it's a good practice for Ravi as well, because he's having his birthday next week and he is getting 9 years old already. So slowly he's becoming a senior as well. So maybe this will be his future, to do the backpacking trips in a stroller like this, but not for now. And that's another hike in the books, the Holtmühle. New area for us, but it definitely did not disappoint. Little lakes, they were beautiful, so nice for the dogs that they could swim, because it is around 20 degrees Celsius, so that's getting really warm for them. So this was absolutely a perfect trail for today. Weather, yeah, it's a treat. Spring's definitely here, so I hope a lot of hikes and backpacking trips are coming up. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel and notify the alarm bell. And then, as always, enjoy the outdoors. We'll catch you on the next trail. Goodbye. Ravi?